Learn English to Gujarati with funny daily sentences.
હું આજે બસમાં શહેરમાં જાઉં છું.
And more. Welcome to today's tiny Gujarati adventure. Hey, you're about to learn Gujarati with a bus ride, a home dinner, a fast office worker, a solo trip to Berlin, and an online study day. Yes, this chapter has everything except a dragon, although emotionally the office printer comes close. Imagine one very busy day. You begin by saying,
હું આજે બસમાં શહેરમાં જાઉં છું.
That means, I go to the city by bus today. Then life jumps ahead and a warm family plan appears.
અમે કાલે ઘરે સાથે ખાશું.
We will eat together at home tomorrow. But wait, work calls. You straighten your imaginary tie and announce.
હું હવે ઓફિસમાં ઝડપથી કામ કરું છું.
I work quickly in the office now. Somewhere else, a dramatic traveler stares at the horizon and says,
તે આજે એકલો બર્લિન જાય છે.
He drives to Berlin alone today. And finally, the modern world arrives with laptops, tea, and weak Wi-Fi.
અમે આજે ઘરે ઓનલાઈન શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
We are learning online at home today. The bus to the city. Let's start with motion, because language learning loves verbs and buses. Repeat after me like you're late but still stylish. English. I go to the city by bus today. Gujarati.
હું આજે બસમાં શહેરમાં જાઉં છું.
Notice the useful parts.
આજે
Means today.
બસમાં
Means by bus or in the bus.
શહેરમાં
Means in the city or to the city in this context.
જાઉં છું.
Means I go. Now picture a bright red bus, because memory likes color. You climb on board and proudly declare,
હું આજે બસમાં શહેરમાં જાઉં છું.
Funny memory trick. The bus is so happy to be included in your sentence that it honks twice in approval. Honk for.
બસમાં
Destination for.
શહેરમાં
Tomorrow dinner, no escape. Now we leave the bus and enter the most powerful place in any language course, a home kitchen with plans. English. We will eat together at home tomorrow. Gujarati.
અમે કાલે ઘરે સાથે ખાશું.
Break it gently.
અમે
Is we.
કાલે
Is tomorrow.
ઘરે
Is at home.
સાથે
Is together.
ખાશું.
Is will eat. Say it again with cozy energy.
અમે કાલે ઘરે સાથે ખાશું.
Mini scene. Someone suggests a fancy restaurant. Grandma says no. The cat agrees for mysterious reasons. Everyone accepts the glorious truth.
અમે કાલે ઘરે સાથે ખાશું.
Office speed mode. Ready for the work sentence? This one sounds productive, efficient, and slightly suspicious, like someone who has had too much coffee. English. I work quickly in the office now. Gujarati.
હું હવે ઓફિસમાં ઝડપથી કામ કરું છું.
Useful pieces.
હવે
Means now.
ઓફિસમાં
Means in the office.
ઝડપથી
Means quickly.
કામ કરું છું.
Means I work. Repeat with keyboard energy.
હું હવે ઓફિસમાં ઝડપથી કામ કરું છું.
Fun image. Even a snail puts on office glasses, opens a spreadsheet, and says, absolutely without irony.
હું હવે ઓફિસમાં ઝડપથી કામ કરું છું.
One person, one suitcase, Berlin. This sentence has travel, drama, and solitude. It's basically a tiny art film, but easier to memorize. English. He drives to Berlin alone today. Gujarati.
તે આજે એકલો બર્લિન જાય છે.
Keywords.
એ
Means he.
આજે
Means today.
એકલો
Means alone.
બર્લિન
Is Berlin.
જાય છે.
Means goes. Say it like a narrator of a serious travel documentary.
તે આજે એકલો બર્લિન જાય છે.
Comedy version. He packed for one day but brought 9 sandwiches, 3 scarves, and emotional determination. Still, the sentence remains the same.
તે આજે એકલો બર્લિન જાય છે.
Home, internet, learning. And now for the modern classic, learning from home while pretending the Wi-Fi is stable and your camera angle is flattering. English. We are learning online at home today. Gujarati.
અમે આજે ઘરે ઓનલાઈન શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Break it down.
અમે
Means we.
આજે
Means today.
ઘરે
Means at home.
ઓનલાઈન
Means online.
શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Means are learning. Repeat smoothly.
અમે આજે ઘરે ઓનલાઈન શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Picture a cat sitting on the keyboard, fully convinced it is also a student. It contributes nothing, but morally supports the sentence.
અમે આજે ઘરે ઓનલાઈન શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Quick recall challenge. Time for a friendly challenge. Don't panic. This is not a test from a strict movie teacher with tiny glasses. How do you say, I go to the city by bus today?
હું આજે બસમાં શહેરમાં જાઉં છું.
How do you say, we will eat together at home tomorrow?
અમે કાલે ઘરે સાથે ખાશું.
How do you say, I work quickly in the office now?
હું હવે ઓફિસમાં ઝડપથી કામ કરું છું.
How do you say, he drives to Berlin alone today?
તે આજે એકલો બર્લિન જાય છે.
How do you say, we are learning online at home today?
અમે આજે ઘરે ઓનલાઈન શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Friendly conclusion. You did it. You survived buses, dinner plans, office speed, solo Berlin drama, and online learning. Let's hear the 5 key Gujarati sentences one last time.
હું આજે બસમાં શહેરમાં જાઉં છું. અમે કાલે ઘરે સાથે ખાશું. હું હવે ઓફિસમાં ઝડપથી કામ કરું છું. તે આજે એકલો બર્લિન જાય છે. અમે આજે ઘરે ઓનલાઈન શીખી રહ્યા છીએ.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases again later today, and let your memory do the rest. You're doing great.